Way, oh, way, oh, carry the lantern to me, love.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're showing you these camping light lanterns. So we're going to show you what's inside the box and then show you how they look like outside. So they're LED. They require 4 AA batteries. The batteries are not included. Battery operated with dimmer switch. So let's show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. So you have your on and off switch and brightness right over here. You can hang it or hold it from here. So most of it is metal. The screen or the basically the tube here, this is plastic. So that is plastic. Underneath it you have your battery compartment, which you add your batteries, and that's it. You know, it's that simple. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with batteries inside. So guys, this is it in the dark. Gives just a nice little accent, you know, nice, doesn't give off a crazy amount of light, but it is pretty cool looking. Just gives you enough light that you need. Really nice, guys.